Hi everybody, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple of products that I picked up from this luxury Ayurvedic brand called Forest Essentials. Now, I have named this video a mini review video as well because these products from Forest Essentials I picked up about precisely 2.5 weeks ago. And since the past 2.5 weeks, I have been using these products. And that's the reason I thought that instead of just doing a shopping haul video, I'll also club in a couple of mini reviews for these products, like a quick one. So as if you guys like these products or if any of these interest you, you can go ahead and pick it up. So let's get started. I have these really cool 2 bags out here from Forest Essentials, which have stuff inside from Forest Essentials. One of the things that I would like to lay special emphasis on is the packaging that these guys at Forest Essentials literally put in so much thought and effort into. They're using these paper bags and they smell amazing. Like they use this kind of butter paper, like your normal butter paper. And they put this butter paper right inside the bag. They put in some flower petals and they spray one of the Forest Essentials fragrances and then they put in the products. And that's the reason, each time I get the bag home, my room smells of this facial spray or whatever spray that they use, to sort of just the scented spray rather, to just get the nice fragrance in these packages. So this is one thing that I really like about Forest Essentials is because that they put in extra thought in packaging, and I am kind of a packaging person, so this sort of impresses me. Without talking too much, let's just get into it. I'm going to first start off by showing you this product, which is a face wash. This is called the Delicate Facial Cleanser in Kashmiri Saffron and Neem. Now this one by Forest Essential is actually meant for combination to oily skin, and my skin type is combination to oily, so the assistant out there suggested that I go ahead with this facial cleanser. As you may see that I have used quite a bit of it in the past 2.5 weeks. What I really like about the product is that I like the packaging because the plastic is really sturdy. It comes with a pump which makes application really easy. It smells heavenly. Like, I'm not even kidding you when I'm saying this. This product literally smells so amazing on your face that I would just hope and wish that the fragrance of this does not go off my face ever. I like the texture. It is so free, but still it lathers pretty well. You just need a lot of water. And yeah, in all, this is pretty cool. It has aqua, glycerine, calendula, flower extract, and jasmine, oil, honey, and a couple of other all important essential things that are good for your skin. I really don't remember the price of this one out here because I picked it up quite some time ago and I can't really find it. But what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to speak about how much these products cost in this video. Simply, I'm going to list down the prices of each and every product in the description bar below. So in case you want to know how much these products cost, you can just look at the prices down. Yeah. Okay. Next thing that I have in my hand is this mini travel kit, which is the Forest Essentials Luxury Ayurveda travel kit in the scent Nargis. Now, Nargis is one scent that I have literally been hearing is amazing, and when I tried this out at the Forest Essentials store, I literally fell in love with it. And I knew that I had to get my hands on this. Now, the reason that I got myself, I just want to put this back in and show you guys what it looks like once more. Now, the reason I got a travel kit and a mini size of it is because in the past few months I've been traveling a lot, and big bottles sometimes just tend to not fit in my bag and they just take up a lot of space, and I did not want that. That's the reason I opted for the travel size of this, because it's pretty friendly and compact, pretty travel friendly and compact. And it over here has a body mist, it also has a body lotion, it has the bath and shower oil again from the Nargis range, then it has the velvet silk body cream, and then the last but not the least they have the cleansing shower butter. And it also comes with a spray for the body mist. So I haven't opened it yet, but I'm just going to open it right away in front of you guys. So all you need to do is just take off this lid and put the spritzer dispenser right into this bottle, and you have your body mist ready. And now that we've done this, I'm just gonna, oh my god, oh my god, I'm having a fan moment here. This smells amazing. So yeah, let's move on because I can't stop raving about the smell and I'm pretty distracted here, as you must be able to make that out. Anyways, moving further, the next thing that I got myself was the Tranquil Sleep. Now, this is basically a product that is recommended for people who are not getting good amount of sleep or are not getting peaceful sleep. Now, the Tranquil Sleep is a formula that you need to spray on your neck and a little bit of it on your pillow just before you're about to sleep. And I have been using this for about 2.5 weeks right now, and I am having the most relaxing sleep because it literally calms your senses down, it relaxes you. The fragrance is so good that it actually helps in reducing stress as well because it's just so mild that you get so relaxed. So yeah, this is another thing that I got, which is the Tranquil Sleep. Moving on, the next thing that I have over here with me is the Stress Relief for de-stressing and relaxing by Forest Essential. Now this is actually a mist sort of a thing, which looks something like that. Now guys, I have used these products, but only and only because I wanted to do a mini review of these products and show you guys what the packaging looks like. That's the reason I kept these boxes, like I saved up on these boxes, I didn't throw them away, and just especially for this video so as I could pack these products back in and show you guys the packaging. So yeah, that was the box of the Stress Relief. Now this is ideally meant to de-stress you, and all you need to do is spray some product out here that is on your wrist, rub it, and then just put the remaining product on your temple. Now what this does is it helps you de-stress. So basically the people at Force Essential told me that I need to, spray it in good quantity here, which is on the wrist and on my temples, basically at points where I can smell it, because I need to take in the fragrance, which will eventually help me to de-stress and sort of calm and soothe my senses. And yeah, that's the reason I went ahead and picked this up. Simply because I've been having a pretty hectic and tied up schedule, and I've been traveling a lot, and there's just too much work stress, and even besides, other than that, there are too many things on the personal front that I have to deal with on daily basis. So just to sort of give myself the little pampering session at home, I just thought I should get the Stress Relief as well as the Tranquil Sleep, and by far I have been absolutely loving both of these products. Last but not the least, I went ahead and I invested in the Forest Essentials Facial Tonic Mist in Pure Rose Water. Now I have the 100 ml bottle because I find the 100 ml bottle pretty travel friendly, and I think this is perfect if I want to put it in my handbag, my purse, or even my sling, because the size is just apt for that. And I like to carry a facial mist with me at all points. Oh, clearly, because I have packed all of them, I've just ended up putting it ulta. But yeah, this is what the bottle looks like. So I was telling you why I opted for the 100 ml bottle. You do get a size bigger than the 100 ml as well. But the only reason why I wanted a 100 ml was because it just makes it very easy to carry along with you on daily basis. And I have combination to oily skin, and the summer and the heat and the humidity here in Bombay is a tad bit too much to deal with, and I don't want to look stressed out or want my makeup to cake, so I just spritz this over like a toner, a fixer. Basically, this is my go-to product for everything. I use this as a toner, I use this as a facial mist when I'm out in the heat. I also use this as a makeup fixer, and I'm absolutely good to go. So yeah, I think this is it. I am kind of done with this mini haul that I did from Forest Essentials. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be linking all the prices in the description box below, so do go check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. If any of these products are something that you have tried or you'd like to try out, or you're going to go ahead and try, please talk to me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and let me know. You can also comment below and get in touch with me. In the meanwhile, do come back for my next video. Wait for it, it'll be up soon. Love you. Bye. And oops, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.